Hello, welcome back to the channel. Where are we going today, Ella? VINTGAR Gorge. Here's the view for today.
Look behind you. Behind you, pretty cool.
It's in the national park area. It's about a 5-kilometer walk from where we're staying in Bled. And just gorgeous today. Cats sitting in the field. See how the gorge is. All right, we're in. It's gorgeous, but as with anything, make sure you secure your stuff online first. I'll put the website and stuff in the description. Also, make sure your phone has QR codes and it's bright enough that it can do the square QR codes, and try to secure your ticket online before, because it is visitor limited. It's gorgeous already. Like a national park area, and this is right on the eastern edge of the national park, but the park goes hundreds of miles to the west of Bled. A lot more to explore over there. Alright, so far the gorge, pretty nice, gorgeous. Pretty standard gorge river area. I like that stuff, but if you're not into walking along the path, seeing the gorge, the birds, the waterfalls, then it might not be worth it to you, but to me it definitely is. We made it, saw the waterfall. Now we have to walk back home. What are some of the things? Get an online ticket, that'll help. What else? You can only go one way, bring water. There is a bathroom at the very end by the power plant, the hydroelectric dam. Lots of pictures. And be ready to walk a lot, because we're walking back to Bled. Here we go. Over the hill, back to Bled. See ya.